In the space of last few weeks, the public is relying more on use of information and communication technology platforms and telecom connectivity in comparison to physical infrastructure such as rail, road, and air transport network and commercial buildings. Post-pandemic era will see a change in the way we live, work, and interact. We have to live in a world which facilitates socializing and economic growth with minimal human contact. A digital future lies ahead. Like clean water and electricity, broadband access has become the modern day necessity. The use of telecom and internet connectivity will feature extensively in our daily life. Connectivity is going to become the most important requirement for our existence in some sense. Broadband would become a fundamental human right. It would be difficult to imagine life without broadband connectivity. More specifically, we are focused on increasing the quality and quantity of connectivity, particularly the fixed line broadband. So therefore, broadband through cable television and interoperable Wi-Fi grid for the country are two such recommendations which we believe will contribute towards creating ubiquitous connectivity which is reliable, affordable, and inclusive. Unfortunately, as of now, while we have done great work in terms of having the mobiles, we have 1.2 billion mobile phones and all that, we have still a lot of work to do in the fixed line infrastructure, because it is a fixed line broadband, a fiber broadband, which will provide a reliable connectivity, which will actually be able to sustain the load of these video things which are going to come, and video is going to become very, very prominent, because in almost every application, whether it is telemedicine or education or work from home, every application will require video connectivity. And I think if you want to have that, you can't have a video conferencing at a sustainable manner in your home without having a fiber, without having a broadband, without having a fiber to home. So therefore, I think what is important is somehow we must have policies which will promote setting up of such things. We need to bring investment in this sector so that more and more people come and invest money here. We need to have policies and taxation which should, we should try deliberately to increase the investment in this particular area. We have to make this area a little more attractive for people to make investment. A digital transaction is always better in the sense it is environment friendly, it is cost effective, it's instantaneous, it is actually frugal, and it can be made inclusive. And I think, and of course, last but not the least, it is contactless.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.